Article 6, Section 31. No law granted a little of royalty or nobility shall be enacted. Section 31 of the Constitution of the Philippines prohibits the enactment of any law grant a title, loyalty, or nobility. This is the line with the democratic principle of the country, emphasize the equality of the citizen and rejecting any form of aristocracy of the privileged class based on title of nobility. Article 8, Section 10. The salary of the Chief Justice and of the Associate Justice of the Supreme Court and of Judge of lower court shall be fixed by law. During their continuance in office, their salary shall not be decreased. Section 10 of the Constitution of the Philippines pertain to the composition of the justice and judge. It states that the salary of Chief Justice, Associate Justice, and of the Supreme Court and Judge of the lower court shall be determined by law. Importantly, it safeguards against any reduction in their salary during their tenure, emphasizing the stability and the independence of the judiciary.